Hi everyone, this is LJ with Plan and Pursue. Welcome back. Today I have my monthly unboxing of the cloth and paper intention box, and this is for the month of November. So you guys, I think I mentioned on one of my previous videos that I have had a lot going on lately. So thank you for, just understanding that and, just continuing to support my channel. So, recently I did get a new position at work. So I have been doing a lot of training. So I've been very busy with that. Do have other videos that I have recorded. I just have not had the opportunity to upload. So I am working on all of that and I'm going to get everything up for you. But anyway, let's just jump into the November subscription box. Let's start with this bag here. All my goodies. Okay. And let's look at the what's inside card. So we'll start with the puffer pouch here. And this one is in like a vegan suede material in this beautiful, almost like maybe like a cocoa brown color. And I love it. It matches my nails. I got some fall nails done. And I'm normally just very simple, but the young lady, she did do a little bit of like that 3D design, and I like it. Like it a lot. And this goes well, look, with my Moterm chocolate planner cover. So I love that. I love when my pouches match my planners. Because I do take my planners to work. And I do also, take a pouch or something. So if you see here, it does have the CP embroidered on the front with the silver zipper. And it still has that faux suede in the inside. So yes, I am happy to receive these because I like these too, even for travel, you guys. So even if you don't put planner items in here, these really are perfect for travel. You can throw anything in here. So, okay, now let's see. Of course, we have the January 2025 calendar, and it's not a pop-up calendar this month. It's just like a calendar card where you can even write down here your important dates. So I hope you guys can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So I like that a lot. And I mentioned before that the pop-up calendars, I tend to I don't use them as a calendar on my desk. I do use them in my books that I read, and I mark off each day that I read, and I keep those kind of like a bookmark in my books. And then we get into the Lux Page flags. These are the Lux Page flags in stone, and there's a set of 3. And if you can see here, we have like a darker stone. And then that's that one. And then this one here is a lighter. And they're like a gray, maybe with like kind of like a green. This one kind of has like a green undertone. But if you can see here, I don't know, I may need to turn on more light. Hold on one second. Give me just a moment. I don't know, but I added a little more light. So those are cute. Next, we have the Memento journaling card. It's designed like a tag, you know, like a clothing tag. Memento, and it says cloth and paper here. So we have that. Now let's get into these dot stickers. So this month they did give us 2 sets of stickers, the minimal shape stickers. So the first one are in the tortoise shell design here, and we get a set of 4, and they are transparent. So we get 2 in the small dots, and then we get 2 like in the line. I don't know what you call this, but here, like in the lines here. So we get 2 of those. And I did see where they were being layered with the raised sticker dots, and I'm really excited about these. So we have one with the dots here, and then the other bar are in the bar shape. So I like that. And I was seeing where you know, individuals they would put the tortoise shell down and then put the raised dot on top of that for a layering effect. And I really like these. This right here, it just, I don't know, it almost reminds me of my favorite dashboard, the fluted dashboard. So yeah, here, I know there's a glare. So yeah, I think that would look really nice together some type of way. So we have those. Next, we have our monthly reflection card. And this one says gifted. So it says, is the value of a gift found in what's given or in the intention behind it? But we have that. And then we do have our set of 2 pens. Looks like we have a colored pen and a 0.5 millimeter and a black gel pen and a 0.5. I'm trying to find something to write on. I'll just write on this like I normally do. So this is the Uniball one in the 0.5, and I am assuming it is in this teal color here. I mean, that's nice. It's nice to have colored pens. I know a lot of people like colored pens, but I'm just blue or black. Blue or black. And I do like a nice green ink pen every once in a while. We have a Pentel comb in a 0.5. And then we have the gift tag stickers. And let's see, I think, does it say on here? Yes, so it's 50 stickers in 3 by 1.5 inches. And if you can see here, it does have like some embossing on there. And let's see. I don't know what that says, and I'm not going to even try to pronounce it. Yeah. So here, and I'm going to take one out just so we can see. And I keep wanting to do that with my pen. So yep, we have that. Put that to the side. And the final thing, Spiral Notebook Planner 2025. And this is in the weekly task layout. And I know for 2025, just with all the inserts I receive, and with this, like, you guys know I have 2 planners, so I'm switching things up for 2025. But I didn't plan on like purchasing. I did purchase one that I say I'm going to use for my work planner for next year. But for my personal, I didn't plan on purchasing anything. I planned on using what I have, the inserts I already have, you know, using the things that I have to make a personal planner for 2025. So this may become my personal planner. If not, like I said, I have a lot of inserts and everything that I receive. I'm going to put one together and you all will be seeing that. But yeah, let's dive into this weekly task spiral planner. And it's a Monday start weekly task. So we have the belongs to page, the year at a glance calendar, and then we have the holidays and observances, and a conversion measurement here. So I like that as well. Then it goes into notes page, and then we get into the monthly calendar here. And then it has the current month, the previous month, and then the upcoming month. Then it goes into 2 notes pages. And then we get into the weekly overview. So it is a weekly on 2 pages. And then the top section has priorities. And then there's a middle section with a to-do. And this is just blank. And then down here at the bottom, it has notes. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. Right off, just looking at it, I'm like, it's a no for me. But I will try it out. Like, I will try it out to see if I actually like it or not. And then if you can see here, over in the black, it has the months over here. So again, we get a full month of the weekly task overview pages. And then we go into the next month, notes, and so forth, so on. And then it does have, like, in the black here, so you can easily, you know, get to the next month. Wait, what is this? Because why didn't I see this? Am I missing? Yep, you guys, I did. I missed that. Okay, so from here, you go into, you have a goal section here with 8 boxes for goals. A section for your important dates, a section for priorities, and then you can put 5 bills here. So it's a bill section, and then just a checklist. So you do have that first, and then you go into the monthly. This is the back, and yep, back here we have a few pages for contacts. This is the 2025 weekly task spiral notebook planner. and I'm not really excited about this, to be honest with you. And I guess it's the layout. It is the layout for me, but I will try it out. And of course, you guys will find out if I like it or not once we get into 2025. So yes, these are all the items we received in the November intention box from Cloth and Paper. So thank you all for spending time with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.